Hey everyone, I'm glad y'all could make it back. We have been very busy. Welcome back everyone. I'm glad y'all could make it at Tanya's place. We have been really busy and I really hadn't much time to do much anything except working here on the farm. But I want to show you what we've been up to, and it's not completely finished yet, but I'm going to give you a little glimpse of what's going on here at the farm. And I'm very super excited, and because we are going forward in our farm, so that's a big deal for us here. So let me show you what we've been doing. And today we are putting the walls up and at least put it in the dry, and then the decorating and staging, all the good stuff is coming up in the next video. Let me show you. We have been working like crazy on trying to get this greenhouse in the dry. So how cool is that? All those beams right here, these beams right here, these are the ones we cut on the sawmill. We cut the tree down and we put them on the sawmill and made those posts out of them. So look at all the details on these. Isn't that cool or what? I love that. So we are planning on putting panels up today around here. We did leave that one part open right here because we still have to put the posts and everything in, and we're using the tractor right now to go under here to kind of lift us up when we need to. But yes, I am super excited. My dream of having a greenhouse is finally coming together, and I'm so excited to show you. So if y'all want to see the whole video about this greenhouse, you're going to have to watch our other channel, Tony's Tractors Adventure. So yes, if you want to see the whole build, check it out. And all the posts we have used fast decay to put in, and they are really strong. We had some major winds coming through and it's still standing, so I'm very impressed with the product. But here's my beam right here that we're gonna put in, and then right here is going to be my door. Let me go through the door. Well, I went through my door, and right here still a different kind of view of it. So yeah, it's going to be really nice when we get done with this. I'm excited. Take a piece of that yellow tape. So this is taking a little longer, but if y'all can see in the background, you know, it's just has to make sure you match it up right to it. And we're using bugle tape in between the paneling to make the wood, the slot right there in the middle to stick on it. And it also kind of helps with the wind protection coming through here. So this area right here gets a lot of wind. So, but yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited.
wants a nice Christmas present this year?
Getting it right here.
No.
This is Christmas. Anniversary.
I thought you want to leave the tractor here. So it's getting late, and there's just not enough daylight left right now because it gets so dark so soon. So this is just a small preview on my greenhouse that we're building here at the farm. And to watch the whole video about the build, you're going to have to check out the channel Tom Structures Adventure, and we are going to be showing the whole process of building this greenhouse. So hopefully it'll be done completely soon, and I get to start using my greenhouse. We got big plans for the spring coming around, and hopefully I get to grow lots of vegetables and fruits and all this kind of good stuff, and of course flowers and herbs. And yeah, I'm excited. Stay tuned for the next video. It might take it just a little bit, but it will get done, and I will have it ready for you to show, and show you the complete greenhouse finished. Thanks for watching, y'all. God bless y'all. Bye.